Hey guys, how's it going? It's Alice. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, really? This happens every time. Every time I sit down to film. Shut up. Anywho, today is a new sponge video again. I know, I'm addicted to sponges. I get it. I'm aware. I don't know what it is, but if I see a different sponge shape, I would just want to try it, especially if it's drugstore or if it's like affordable. I mean, let's be real, I really don't shop at Sephora or any fancy place where, you know, sponges are more than $10. So I'm in Target, I know what I want, but I happen to see this. What the hell is this? You may be asking yourselves. Well, this is the Sonia Kashuk Body Sponge Blender. And this costs $9.99. It looks so cool. It has like a sharp point. And I have a body blending sponge. Let me grab it. This guy was the last body blending sponge that I did a video on, and I absolutely love this. It's so big, and it gets even bigger when it gets wet. Grow up, okay? Like, can you just be mature about this? But I absolutely love this thing. It's big, and a body blending sponge is so much easier to blend your makeup with because it's larger. My next favorite sponge was the NYX one. It has flat sides, which are nice for like getting in your contour right there or like under the eyes, creating straight lines, you know? But this one is so small, see that? So then I'm at Target, I see this. It could be my holy grail. It could be my holy grail. It could be too big though. 3 surfaces allow flexible application of self-tanners, bronzers, and foundations. Use the pointed end for contouring and precision coverage. The flat edge to quickly apply product and the round edge for buffing to a smooth finish. Seems obvious. To use wet blender to prevent excess absorption of product and also to allow for more sheer coverage. Why can't I read? Yeah, we got that. Okay. Apply product to body in a sweeping or patting motion. Wash at least twice a week to help keep blender clean, soft, and bacteria free. And then it has some washing instructions. So I'm dying to try this. I know all of you are probably on the edge of your seats right now to find out if this is good or not, if it's worth the $10. Let's see if it can blow this one out of the water. Speaking of water, I'm gonna go get this wet. You know what, I should open it actually. I'm getting ahead of myself. I'm excited. I'm very excited, you guys. New sponges excite me. What can I say? So it's kind of firm. Maybe just because it's brand new and it's never touched water before. So this is how big it is. Dry. I'm gonna go get it wet. Okay, so the sponge is wet. I feel a little silly, like I'm about to use this ginormous fucking thing on my face. It's definitely softer. I'm excited. This is exciting. Oh yeah, it did get bigger, look. It used to fit in here and now it definitely doesn't, so cool. Now, the foundation that I want to use, I'm sick of the Maybelline Dewy Smooth. I'm sick of using it. I need to change it up. I have heard some really good things about this foundation. This is the Maybelline Superstay Full Coverage Foundation. I have the shade 102 Fair Porcelain. Nikki Tutorials says it's amazing. Raw Beauty Christie says it's amazing. So it's drugstore and it's Maybelline, and I need to try it, okay? Whoa. Did I just break something? I twisted the lid because I thought it was a twist off, and these 2 little pieces of plastic came off. It's in a pump, you guys. This is gonna be so awesome. Oh my gosh. Okay, so I'm gonna put some foundation on this thing. I'm hyping this up way too much. Oh, okay. Wow, is this foundation actually too light for me? Look at how fast I'm covering my face with this thing. This is why I absolutely love these big body blenders. My face is like almost done, and it has only been a minute, a few seconds. How long has it been, really? Now, obviously, we're not getting in all of the little nooks and crannies, So I'm gonna flip it over and I'm gonna try this side. Wow. I need to start getting my ears, because in every video I notice that my ears are literally bright red. Wow, you guys, I don't know what I like more, the sponge or this foundation. The foundation is absolutely beautiful. It looks like I just put Shape Tape all over my face. I love it. The sponge is blending beautifully, except as you can see, especially because this is a pretty thick, foundation, so it's not getting sides of the nose and then like these tiny little crevices. But that always happens for me, so I just usually will take a brush and really lightly buff it around. Dang, you guys, that was fast. Is it overkill? Maybe, but I just blended in all my foundation way faster than usual. So let's test it out with concealer. I've got my Tarte Shape Tape. Do I really need that much concealer right now? Probably not. But let's get a little bit under the eyes so we can test out the precisionality of the sponge. Alright, sponge, start blended. The round pointed side is really good for under the eyes as well. Absolutely flawless, you guys. Yeah, I kind of feel like I'm holding a pear. But bitch, in a 5-minute makeup challenge, oh shit, I should challenge Jenny. She would have no chance. I should give her one of these to fucking... Who do you think would win a 5-minute makeup challenge? So far, I'm absolutely in love, if you can't already tell. Let's get our bake on. Got some loose powder here. Just gonna take the rounded, pointy side. Gently set the rest of the face, but just using kind of what's left on the sponge. Under eyes feeling a little crunchy and dry with this super matte foundation. It's okay, it always kind of feels that way right when I bake. I don't want the powder on for too long though, so I'm gonna brush it away. I think the sponge performed absolutely flawlessly in this respect. I'm into this right now. It's like I have a beautiful, like, perfect mask on my face. It doesn't match the rest of my skin though. Alright guys, so here's the finished look. Unfortunately my camera was off during some of it, so I wasn't able to show you how absolutely perfectly this sponge is able to create a nice straight line under your contour as well as on the sides of your nose. That's what I like to do, and I think it really helps with the contour. It's very dirty right now, so sorry about that. But final thoughts on the sponge, I absolutely love it. If you haven't tried a body blending sponge on your face and you're one of those people who kind of can't stand just like the tediousness of like patting the sponge, like patting a tiny sponge all over your face for like what seems like hours, then I highly suggest trying this one out. This is the Sonia Kashuk body blending sponge. As far as the foundation, I'll zoom you guys in so you can see. I haven't had it on for too long, maybe like an hour or something, but I'm really loving it. I'm liking it a lot. If you want to see how I created this look, I'll be posting a quick like Insta tutorial version on my Instagram. And yeah, other than that, I'm running late, so I have to go. I thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Leave me a comment. I love hearing from you. Have you seen this? Have you tried it? Would you try it? And if there are any other cool sponges or just other beauty tools that I should try, let me know. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.